Today I'm going to share with you my personal experience how to grow mint herb at home without any cost. It's very easy, even 5 or 6 year child can grow. Take an empty water bottle or pot or a container. Fill half of it with water. Take few branches of mint. Trim leaves off branches except a few from the top. Put these branches in filled with water bottle or in pot. Keep it in sunshine area, inside the room's window or outside in the backyard. After 10 to 15 days, you will see new small roots. You can transfer these new rooted branches in any pot or keep it in same pot, or you can put in other soiled pot. Mint no need any kind of composite or fertilizer to grow. It will take small space but spread very quickly. If you will trim its leaf regularly, twice in a week, it will grow much more fast every day. I hope you will enjoy. It's my personal experience to grow mint without any cost.